Hey y'all, welcome back to another squeaky clean life video. So I had a couple of things to get done around the house, and you know I had to set my timer for 1 hour and bring you guys along with me. So if you're ready for all of this motivation today, don't forget to leave this video a like. Please subscribe if you're new. Leave me a comment, let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning.
Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and it can save you from your bad.
So starting out in the living room, it was around just about 6:30 in the evening. That is usually the time I clean at night. I don't really stay up late night cleaning, you guys. We're done with dinner around this time. I go ahead and tidy up for the night so that I can relax, and I just had to pick up some stuff in the living room. It's not too bad. Just put the pillows back on the couch, fluff everything up, vacuum, clean the table, and then move on.
The feeling is so, baby, you got me, believe in the magic. Baby, you got me. Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine, believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight, get into that good time, believe in the magic, and it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. Yeah. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so, baby, you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so, baby, you got me, believe in the magic. Baby, you got me. Baby, you got me. We're doing it all.
If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you and say hi. My name is Sean, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two, and I post Power Hour cleaning motivational videos every single week. I'm currently uploading every Sunday and Wednesday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, so if that is something you'd be interested in, I would love to have you subscribe and join my family here on YouTube. Leave me a comment, let me know you're here so I can come and say hi, and thank you so much for watching today.
Baby, you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so, baby, you got me, believe in the magic. I believe it. Baby, you got me, believe in the magic. Yeah. Baby, you got me, believe in the magic.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you.
We have about 44 minutes left on the clock, you guys, and I have quite a few more tasks I want to get done, so just keep on watching because there's tons of motivation coming your way. I am going to go ahead and start tidying up this kitchen, and you guys, I'm really not going to talk too much. I really want you to just enjoy the motivation, enjoy the music. This video is not super long, so I really want you to just vibe and enjoy, so I'll be back a little bit later on.
Gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love because it's on. Ooh, ooh. Keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh. Let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything I anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh, let's turn up the love.
So right after I got done cleaning the sink, I remembered I forgot to clean out this coffee filter. So I had to go ahead and rinse it out. And that's typical for me, you guys. Sometimes I will go ahead and clean out the sink too early, and then I realize I either forgot to wash some dishes or clean out the coffee filter, or just pour out some mop water or make mop water, and I'm like, the sink is already clean, and then I clean it twice. But that's okay. Double the motivation.
Looking at me with those eyes, yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. The shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you.
I did just really quickly want to mention that if there's anything you see, whether it's a cleaning supply, a mop, broom, rug, home decor, anything you see that you may like, I do have my Amazon storefront linked in my description box, so you can look and shop easier that way. So if you see anything that you may like and I haven't listed, go ahead and feel free to ask. But most things I do list in the description box.
Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
As you can see, we have about 18 minutes left on the clock, and it's time to clean the kids' bathroom, which is pretty quick and easy. I don't need to clean the tub because we normally just clean it when they get out and it was not dirty this day. So I'm just gonna quickly clean the sink, clean the toilet, move on.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things.
All right, we have 11 minutes left, and me and Sydney are about to give y'all some laundry folding motivation. We're gonna tackle this hamper of laundry, and who I was rushing in real life, okay? Because yeah, I barely made it, but you'll see towards the end.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress. We can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need. This is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can look.
All right, you guys, we are approaching the end of this video. I truly hope you've enjoyed this power hour and saw how much I could get done in an hour. I hope it motivated you to get up and see what all you can get done in just 1 hour. Like this video if you have enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.